There's got to be a better way.
The ultimate companion on the road. Meet Titan Cart. Titan Cart boasts a foldable design, transforming from 11 inches to 47 inches. With an easy-to-assemble system that anyone can unfold in just 3 seconds. Every part engineered for lasting durability and reliability. Conquering any terrain with ease, Titan Cart provides unmatched mobility. Its 4.7-inch swivel wheels shift independently, making navigation effortless. Let Titan Cart enhance your life. With a capacity of up to 440 pounds, Titan Cart is your worry-free solution for heavy loads. Whether you have numerous pieces of luggage, our exclusive Wagon net expands storage from 140 liters to 660 liters. The one-touch safety brakes ensure stability even on uphill terrain, allowing you to focus on caring for your loved ones. Titan Cart's built-in tabletop serves as a stable camping table, adding versatility to your outdoor adventures. Additional multi-holders keep your small items secure. Bidding farewell to stuffing items into a dirty cart. With a water-resistant body and wheels, Titan Cart is hassle-free to clean. Ready to accompany you on all your adventures. Travel smarter, travel easier with Titan Cart.